Want to make money online? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money with Google in 2020 and beyond. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online. And in this video I'm going to update a strategy that will make you $14 per hour simply for Googling and doing some social media research. Okay, so this is something super easy. You can do this from anywhere in the world. I actually reviewed this strategy a year ago, I think, but I have an important update to it. Okay, so before we're gonna jump into the content of this video, let me just remind you that each time I'm uploading one of these videos to this channel, I'm giving away a $10 Amazon gift card. And if you want to win one right now, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email so I know where to send the $10 gift card to. And also please check out all the links in the description of this video. The first link will take you to my artofmarketingelite.com, which is my coaching group. If you want me to coach you and show you exactly how to make money online, go ahead and check it out. Check out all the rest of the links as well. And right now let's jump into the content of this video: how to make $14 per hour over and over and over again doing something super easy. Essentially you're going to be Googling. Okay, so let me share my screen and let me show you how to make money online with Google in 2020. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to be doing. Okay, so you're going to be Googling. The simple example is this: you're going to be typing in different phrases into your Google bar and just seeing the results. Okay, so companies are willing to pay you for it because they need the data from people from all around the world. Okay, so obviously if a company is based in the US, they can only get the results from the US, and they need a bunch of different results from a bunch of different people from a bunch of different countries. And for the most part they can automate it, but there are some cases where they cannot. That's where you come into play and you can do this for them, and they are willing to pay you $14 per hour. So just to give you an example right here, I typed in CrossFit t-shirt. So obviously you're going to be working with a number of different phrases. This is just one example, and what these companies are doing is they are looking for a simple report on what shows up where you when you type in for example CrossFit t-shirt. Okay, so you're gonna tell them, okay, first I got an ad, secondly I got an ad as well, I have some images on the right, I have some t-shirts to buy as well with prices. Then we have this website. No, sometimes like a video will pop up, sometimes on the bottom you have additional ads. So these companies are just looking for this data, exactly what shows up when you log in from your country. So I'm logging in from Portugal, and this is how this looks for me. Obviously this will be very, very different depending on where you are connecting from. And again, these companies are looking exactly for this data, and you're going to be making money simply Googling. Okay, so this will work perfectly in 2019, 2020 and beyond, because these companies are only growing, and Googling is just one way to make money. You can also do the same thing on social media. Okay, so I'm going to cover both of these right now. And even before I'm going to show you the website, I wanted to show you the proof of payments. Okay, so if you're going to go to Glassdoor.com and you will look up Appen, A-P-P-E-N, that's the company that you will be working with. There are a bunch of others that I'm going to show you as well. But this is just an example. As you can see, we have Web Search Evaluator hourly, $14 per hour right here. And the other one that I'm going to show you is a Social Media Evaluator, which is essentially doing the same thing, not Googling, but doing the same on social media like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, etc. And you can make an easy $14 per hour as well. So as you can see, they have a bunch of different people's working and making $14 per hour, and that's just the confirmation from Glassdoor.com. You can also go to Indeed.com and look up Appen, and as you can see, they have a bunch of different salaries right here, but essentially they are paying something very, very similar, anywhere from $12 to $18 per hour. So we have social media specialist, $13.54. We have data analyst, which is an $82K per year if you want to go full-time. independent consultant $12, data entry clerk $18 per hour. So a bunch of different jobs opportunities that you can have with Appen. But again, the main two that we are going to focus in this video is the web search evaluator, which will allow you simply making money for Googling, and social media evaluator, which is the same but for social media. Okay, so we can check it all out. You know, people are leaving reviews for this company. It's 100% legit. And if we're gonna go to appen.com, again, appen.com, you will see this. So as you can see, it says data with a human touch, high quality trading data for machine learning enhanced by human interaction. So this is exactly what I was talking about. So for the most part, you know, this company and other companies are working with software that, you know, they can do this research automatically, but in some cases they need an actual person, an actual researcher that will do the research for them, and they're willing to pay for it. So, you know, this is again where you comes in. You can check out the whole website, and what I'm going to do right now is we're gonna go to contact us and click on flexible jobs. Okay, and this will bring up this page, and as you can see, they have a bunch of different jobs that you can apply for. So you can be a rater. They have some language jobs, so if you speak a couple of languages, you can make a ton of money as well. Micro tasks, which is like tasks that you can complete literally in seconds, sometimes in minutes. And corporate jobs, if you are looking for a full-time job working for them. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on raters, and obviously you're gonna have to check out their current assignments. Okay, so obviously this will vary depending on where you are from. So you're gonna have to fill out this form and see if they have any openings for your country or for your continent, etc. So again, you can check it all out, read through all of this. As you can see, they have the search media evaluator, social media evaluation, they have translators, transcriptionists, surveys and data collection, linguistic specialist, speech evaluators, etc. So again, in this video we're going to focus on the first two, but they have a bunch of different jobs that you can make $14 an hour or much more. Okay, so again, this is a video about making money online with Google. So you know, for Google you just need to the first two. Okay, so I also wanted to show you this one. You know, you can search for different job listings. Just type in evaluator in the search on the Appen, and as you can see, they have a bunch of different openings. So they have a social media evaluator in Arabic, they have a speech evaluator again in Saudi Arabia, social media evaluator in Ireland, social media evaluator in Uruguay, social media evaluator in Jamaica, social media evaluator in Liechtenstein, social media evaluator Taiwanese Mandarin speakers in Hong Kong. Then we have social media evaluator in Colombia, Nigeria, Kenya, Georgia, Cambodia, a bunch of different ones. And we have web search evaluator Croatia, web search evaluator Italy, a social media evaluator Canada. So a bunch of different openings, and again, this will vary depending on where you are logging in from and when you are actually looking, because you know, I'm looking this up today, tomorrow it can be very, very different. So just keep in mind, again, if you want to make money online with Google, if you want to cash in just for Googling, you know, just look for these jobs. Social media evaluator and web search evaluator. This will allow you to make money with Google. Okay, so appen.com, check out the whole website. They are legit, but obviously they are not the only website. There are many more websites that are paying you in a similar fashion. So just type in into Google web evaluator jobs, and as you can see, you have a bunch of different openings. You have public health, paid search manager, you have iSoft Stone, you have Appen, of course, you have Centauri, you can work for Seattle's Children's Hospital. You know, you have more items here, so you know, you can just do the research on your own. Appen is just one of these websites. You know, a bunch of different companies need the same exact evaluators and social media analysts. Okay, and you can do the same for social media evaluator jobs. Just go to Google and type in social media evaluator jobs, and as you can see, we have Skywalker trampolines, we have public health, we have Allied Universal, we have Lionbridge, we have Appen, obviously. So again, just Google social media evaluator and web evaluator, and you will come up with a bunch of different jobs that you can apply for and make $14 per hour or much more. So again, all you're gonna be doing is Googling. If you have a computer with an internet connection and you know how to Google, you know how to type in different phrases, and for the most part they will show you exactly what they are looking for. So they will give you the phrases, they will show you how to do it, they will tell you exactly what they are looking for, and you can make some easy money. Okay, so again, this is 20 euros. Sorry, I don't have any dollars, I'm in Europe, but you can make $14 per hour simply Googling, and it's a very, very cool job, and you can obviously do it part-time or full-time. Super cool, and I really like it. So guys, this is my video for today, but before we go, let me just reveal the winner of the previous giveaway. So on my last video, which is this one right here, 12 legit data entry work from home job sites, I was giving away a $10 Amazon gift card. So I uploaded some additional videos like a challenge, so you can check it all out, but this is the last one where I actually was giving away a $10 Amazon gift card. So right now let's go to YouTube random comment picker and let's see who won. Okay, so let's filter out the duplicates. Let's see how many comments. We have 21 comments, and right now let's pick the winner randomly. Okay, we got Mandar Chindarkar. He says, great work. Pico size is the best. Thank you for the information. And I have the email, and I'm going to send the $10 Amazon gift card right now. If you want to win a $10 Amazon gift card, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your email so I actually know where to send the Amazon gift card to. Okay, so as you are seeing, I just sent the $10 Amazon gift card to the winner. Congratulations. Do these 4 things if you want to win a $10 Amazon gift card, and don't forget to check out all the links in the description of this video. Again, if you want to join my Art of Marketing Elite Club, go to artofmarketingelite.com and just join. I'm going to coach you, I'm going to take you by the hand and show you exactly how to make money online from scratch. And you can also check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. I'm always uploading tons of videos on how to make money online, how to work from home, how to make money with Google, and much more. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Ciao.